Okay, in this project, number 4 in Elenco's Snap Circuits Extreme, I'm going to be adjusting the sound level. This follows project 3 in the kit, sound activated switch. And the difference in this project is adding a 100 ohm resistor at the output of the U1 Music IC chip to the speaker here. The sound level will be lower. So in the previous project, the sound level was higher because there's no resistor here between the output of U1 and the speaker. Now there's a resistor. So by turning on the switch, you'll hear a sound coming out from the speaker, and it's lower. And by blowing into the whistle, you can see the sound is lower compared to the one in project 3.